Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is April. If you're new here, I'm a skincare and cosmetic chemist and I talk about all things skincare, front and back end of all things skincare. So if you're interested, definitely hit that subscribe button, like this video because you're gonna like it. Let's get into today's video. So today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, I'm gonna be talking about PGA, HA, and PHA. Ooh, that was a mouthful. Okay, so I'm sure you guys are wondering, what is PGA and HA? It's just too many HAs and too much, right? I get that, I get it. And in today's video, I will be clarifying what these all mean and what they are, really. So you guys are no longer confused. Okay, starting with hyaluronic acid, I'm sure you guys already know hyaluronic acid is not an acid. It sounds like it is an acid, but it's not. Hyaluronic acid actually is a humectant. It's a humectant meaning it draws water from the atmosphere, from the environment into our skin. It helps your skin stay moisturized. It helps protect the skin barrier, prevents epidermal water loss, able to hold its weight 4 times in water. It's just a great ingredient to have. Our skin does naturally make hyaluronic acid. However, sometimes due to dietary reasons, sun damage, damaged skin barrier, and various other reasons, our skin just needs extra help. That's why there's a lot of companies that are now producing hyaluronic acid a little more than we need, but that's really just the gist of it. Now moving on to PGA. PGA is relatively new, like new to the market. It's like super new. So it behaves very much like hyaluronic acid. Ingredient suppliers claim that it can hold its weight 10 times in water in comparison to hyaluronic acid, which holds its weight 4 times in water. So they're claiming that it holds 6 times more than hyaluronic acid. Now this ingredient is not as popular because of reasons such as price. The price for this ingredient is significantly a lot higher than the price for hyaluronic acid, and other factors like, not as enough studies compared to hyaluronic acid studies. Another thing you should know about PGA is that unlike hyaluronic acid, which just traps moisture in the skin, PGA can be an occlusive where it can actually cover your skin like an oil and act like a sealant to prevent loss of water. So this is a really great ingredient. I can't wait till it's a lot more affordable and a lot more brands use it in their products. It's also really effective at really low concentrations. At a concentration of 0.1, it works really well with ingredients like vitamin C, ferulic acid, and a host of other ingredients. Some brands that currently carry PGA in their products are brands like Charlotte Tilbury, the Inkey list, and the Then I Met You brand. Okay, so moving on to PHA. PHA actually is an exfoliant. So it's not a humectant, it's an exfoliant. I made a video on AHAs, exfoliants, chemical exfoliants. So it is in that category, but it has a much bigger molecule than mandelic acid and glycolic acid and lactic acid. So like I said, it's an exfoliant. It's pretty new in the market. It's also known as gluconolactone. In your ingredient list, you probably see it as that. It's also rarely known as lactobionic acid. You most likely catch it as gluconolactone in your ingredient list. PHA, just like lactic acid, has moisturizing factors to it, but it's not naturally found in your skin. There are some studies that have found PHA to treat acne, but these are just up-and-coming studies and nothing has been confirmed yet. There's still a lot more clinical trials that have to be done to say for sure that this ingredient is great for acne. This ingredient is very gentle. It's great for cell turnover. According to some research that's been done, it's been seen that it actually does not make your skin sensitive to the sun like other AHAs like glycolic acid. And yeah, I hope you guys are able to understand what these 3 ingredients mean now. I hope you guys are no longer confused. If you enjoyed the video, leave me a comment down below. I love interacting with you guys. It's probably the best part of recording a video. I hope you guys will consider thumbsing up this video and subscribing for more videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.